Fine, children. Now just see prepositions of place under, below. The ball is under the table. Okay. The ball is under the box. The ball is below the box. You can see the gap here. And it is quite very far also. Now, under. The fish is under the boat. The apple is below the desk. The bird is under the cloud. I will tell you the reasons. Now, prepositions of place under or below. Where we use this? Some prepositions show where something happens. Prepositions of place. Elena was sitting under a tree. Elena was sitting on the ground, right? Elena is sitting under a tree, but where is her place? Where she is sitting on the ground. If it is given dash a tree, it is under a tree. If it is given dash the ground, on the ground. Okay. And she is sitting under means lower than, means here the position is placed that she is sitting under the tree or she is covered by something else. Okay. She is covered by the tree. Something else here means, as the example is tree, it is tree. The fish are below the surface. Okay. Below the surface there is a gap. Though all the common uses of below are related to lower than or less than, means there again means there will be some gap between the two things. There is a wooden floor underneath the carpet. See children, here the surface is touching the carpet. So it is underneath. Okay. Sometimes we use the word underneath instead of under. Yes, true. But the surface, two surfaces will be touching each other. There we can use underneath. Word underneath instead of under. Why? The two surfaces are touching each other. Miners work. Miners means those who work in gold mines, copper mines. Okay. Beneath the surface of the earth. Yeah, sometimes we use beneath instead of below. Again, the surface are connected to each other. Prepositions of place under or below. The sun disappeared below the horizon. Temperatures were below normal all week, means less than. We sat under a tree and rested. See, it is covered by the tree. Okay. The cat is under the bed. The cat is covered by the bed, so it is under. Under is preferred with something is covered by what is over it. It is quite understood now, right? Prepositions of place, over or above. Over or above. Fine. The sun is above the cloud. Prepositions of place, over or above. Okay. Now we already know that where we are using this under and below. Over and above also same concept, but that is higher. Okay, it is placed above. Let us see. The sun is above the car. The sun is above. You can imagine the distance between these two. The cat jumped over the chair. See children, when the distance is longer between two things, if one thing is higher than the other, then we use above. If the distance is less, but distance will be there, that is over. Thief jumped over the wall, not above the wall. Okay. The fan is above my head because distance is more. Okay. The bird flew over the head. So over my head. Fine children, means some little distance. The eagle is flying above the building because distance is longer. Understood? Now, preposition of place, over or above. Just now I explained you. The bomber flew over the target. See, over the target is nearby. Then the bomber is over the target. The aircraft is where it needs to drop the bomb, means near to the location. Prepositions of place, over or above. A path above the lake. It is the distance is longer, so it is above. The helicopter was hovering above the building. The distance is less. She is rented a room above a shop. Means distance is longer. The moon rose slowly above the horizon. Again, distance is longer. Some geese flew over their house. Distance is less. Uh, Helicopters dropped leaflets over the city. Distance is less. The sign over the door closed. The door said exit. See, the sign is just over the door. Okay. The She held the umbrella over both of us. Distance is less. Okay. Prepositions of place over or above again. I am going to hike over the mountain. Now you can read out this for your convenience and you can see the distance. Fine children, you read out this slide for your practice. Prepositions of time. Yeah. Now this is again some prepositions show when something happens. Prepositions of time. School starts at 8 o'clock. See, the time is exact. Whenever we talk about exact time, we use at. That is fixed. They are going to the cinema on Sunday. It is speaking about the day. On Sunday. No, you can't watch a video. It's past your bedtime already. Past. We are using about mentioning the time limitation. So, past. I visited my parents during the summer. It is showing the duration of the season. So, it is during. No exact time is, we are not mentioning date, time there. So, it is during, in summer season. You must finish the work by Friday. Okay. Time limitation is there. So, by Friday. I will do my homework before dinner. You will finish your work before the assigned time or one next activity. Okay. It's before. Direction, prepositions of direction. Here, which shows the direction. Just see, the boys chased after each other, one after other. The football rolled down the hill. A man was walking his dog along the river bank. Will the river bank walk with us? No, we walk along the river bank. Remember this. Okay. The freeway goes right through the city. Right through the city means through is already given. If through is not given, through becomes the preposition because the way will cross through the city. Here, in case if the preposition is already mentioned, you should understand that we should put the direction in that sentence. Right. Okay, right means with. The freeway goes right through the city. They are showing the exact location or direction. We were traveling towards Miami. Okay, towards means you are directed towards that place. Preposition of, usage of. Here the modules will show you the full means real life examples. I ate a plate of rice. Correct, no children? And a quarter of milk. Would you like a glass of lemon juice? I need 3 pieces of paper. Most of the children in my class like education. There are several ways of cooking upma. Right. Prepositions of belonging to. Usage of. Here used for belonging to, relating to or connected with. You can see the examples. Let us see. The secret of this game is that you can't ever win. Okay. The highlight of her career was at the end. The first page of the book is most important. Don't touch it. That's the bag of my sister. I always dreamed of being a successful writer. Of connects. Fine children. Every preposition connects, that is true, but this of shows the belonging to. Clear? Now, preposition of which refers. Reference is different, belonging is different, but meanings differ, but the preposition also speaks its reference. I got married in the summer of. In which summer he married? Summer of 2000. This is a picture of my family. I got a discount of 10% on the purchase. Again, amount or number. A large number of people gathered to protest. I had only 2 hours of sleep during the last 3 days. He got a perfect square of 100% on his listening test. Fine. Again, direction. 2. We are going to Paris. Where are you going? To Paris next week. Where are you going to buy? Going to buy your new basketballs. See, it is again directing. Where are you going to? Going normally comes with to. Okay. We ran to the end of the street. Ride walks to work every day. Direction, children. Okay, which is directing. Next is on. On days and dates. On which day and on which date. The garbage truck comes on Tuesdays. See, it is fixed. On Tuesdays means every Tuesday it will come. He went there on 16th of March. Which date he went? 16th. I was born on 22nd day of June in 1977. US Independence Day is celebrated on July 4th. He always has a party on his birthday. I will see you on Friday. On is used for device and machines. Andrea is on the phone right now. Bob has been on the computer since morning. It is always on the computer. You work on the computer. Understood? Not in the computer. It is on. Work is going on in the computer, but you are working on the computer. Clear? My favorite movie will be on TV, not in TV. On TV tonight. Preposition on, surface. I put a cup on the kitchen table. Oh no, there's a coffee stain on my tie. The book is on my desk. What's the cat doing on the table? Please write your name on the paper. Walk on the sidewalk, not on the grass. He's always dreamed of having a house on the beach. It's on Wong Shan North Road. See, everything is mentioning the surface. Now, again, body part. She kissed me on my cheek. The stick hit me on my arm. I wear a ring on my finger. Again, surface. State of, yes, let us see. Used to indicate the state of something. Yes, means you should always remember something. Fine. Everything is in the store is on sale. The building is on fire. Preposition of time and place. Yeah, this is again little important to keep in consideration. Okay, time and place. In, on, at. See children, in, on, at is used in both the situation depending on the given sentence. Even now you can see the prepositions what I use will make you to understand why am I using, where am I using. Okay, you will be now well versed with directions, place, surface, time. See, year, month. In 1999, in December. Now country, state, city. In Japan, in Tepai. On, day, date. On Saturday, on May 1st. Street, on Main Street. On 1st Eve. At, exact time as I said. At 8 o'clock, at 7:30. Address, at 8:15 East Main Street. It is mentioning one address here. Preposition of time and place. Where is your office? In Tartu, Eastland. Really? What part of Tartu? It's on Estate North Road. I know that area. Where exactly it is? Or is it? It's at. Address is mentioned. Okay. When is the wedding? It's in July. What date? It's on Saturday, the 20th. What time? It starts at 7. Prepositions in, location, place. She is currently staying in a hotel. Okay. He locked me directly in the eyes. My hometown is Toronto, which is in Canada. I am in the US. I am in New York. I am in Chisel's neighborhood. I am in my backyard. Again here, preposition in or at. I am in New York, I am in Japan, I am at home, I am at the supermarket. Unspecific time is used, that is, in is for unspecific time, at is for exact time. The new semester will start in February. She always reads magazine in the morning. Time is not specified. In the summer, we have a rainy season for 3 weeks. Fine. Preposition in, which mentions shape, color, or size. The students stood in a circle. The painting is mostly in red. The blouse comes in 5 different sizes. Okay. Now, preposition in for belief, opinion, interest, or feeling. He believes in the next life. We are not interested in gambling. Now, in is used to express while doing something. In preparing for the final report, we revised the tone 3 times. A catchphrase needs to be impressive in marketing a product. Now, again, usage of at a point. See, exactly at a point. At stands for exact. She is waiting at the entrance. Where is she? Exact place is mentioned at the entrance. The girl is at the school. Again, place is mentioned. He is sitting on the chair at his desk. See, his desk, particular. He is waiting at the train station. I work at a bank. There is a party at the clubhouse. There were hundreds of people at the park. We saw a basketball game at the stadium. Please email me at abc at rediff or defg at some.com. Okay. Now, preposition at, specific time. As I said, it is for specific or exact. We will meet you at 12 a.m. The train will stop here at 6:45 p.m. I have a meeting at 9 a.m. The shop closes at midnight. Now again, at indicates an activity. See, she laughed at my acting. Your acting is specific there. I am good at drawing a portrait. Again, your activity is specific. For. Okay, where do we use this for? This is little sensitive and very important. Children, one question will come from this for in your exam. This is compulsory to keep in consideration. In, at, on, into, through, against, these all will come, but this for also will be there. So, listen this carefully. For usually tells us about the use of something, a reason or purpose. Okay, fine. Let us see. We need new batteries for the remote control. Okay. Is there place for me on the seat? I would like a new laptop for next year. These drinks are for after work. We use it for cutting grass. I would like a new computer for Christmas. See, it is showing something, a reason or a purpose. With. Are you with me? It indicates one agreement or understanding. This usage also you have to practice well and good. Okay. Fine. Yes, I am completely with you. She agrees with me. Okay. She did not accept with me. She is not with me. Okay. She works with me. See, again some more examples are there. Being together or involved. I ordered a pizza with a drink, showing the combination. She was with his friend when she saw me. She has been working with her sister at the toy shop. The manager will be with you shortly. Now, preposition with, that is having. I met a girl with green eyes. The girl is having green eyes. Now, he speaks with an accent. Yeah. The person is having good accent. Person with a lot of money are not always happy. Fine. It is showing the belongingness, right, children? The person who is having. Okay. The cat is with me. Just now you heard it's meowing, right? It is with me. Again, I am having my cat with me. Fine. Now, preposition with for the things we use. Using. He wrote a letter with the pen you gave him. See, he is using the pen which is given by you. And now he is having the pen. See, in both the ways it is suiting. This is the soup that made with rice and carrots. He cut my hair with his gold scissors. Now, feeling. With is used to mention some feelings also. I am emailing you with my sincere apology. See, this is some abstract feeling, right? Now, he came to the front stage with confidence. Okay. Nouns and prepositions. See, some examples are given which will accompany what? These are some nouns and prepositions. Please consider it. Approval of, awareness of, belief in, concern for, confusion about, desire for, fondness for, grasp of. See children, now in previous slides you have learned this. You should clarify or classify why it is used. It is a feeling, it is a noun, or it is a why this preposition is used. Hatred of, feeling, right? Interested in, love of, need for, participation in, reason for, respect for, success in, understanding of. Now, traffic can cause damage to the environment. Okay, see here, before this, prepositions are used with some nouns. The nouns in these examples are highlighted. What's the answer to the question? Is there a reason for this delay? What's the matter with you? Here is an example of good behavior. Congratulations on winning the competition. Now, adjectives and prepositions. Fine. In next continuation, I'll be explaining you about this. Adjectives and prepositions.